Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I am going to show you some goodies that Nutstop sent to me. I have partnered with them, several times. This is probably the fifth time that they've reached out to me and sent me products. And just like with anything that I share with you guys, I only share with you what I absolutely love. I love their products. They're super affordable and they are very tasty. So here's what I've done. I have already gone through, I've opened up all of the packages and I've put the prices on there. I've got some little cups here and a glove. And I thought what I would do this time is show you the bag and then also put out a couple of the goodies in these little jars so that you can see what they look like. Now I'm using a glove because I'm taking most of these goodies to my mom and dad's house because we're getting together today and we're doing an ice cream bar. So stay tuned all the way to the end. I'm hoping that my family will let me either take some video or some photos of their ice cream using Nutstop goodies as toppings. Okay, so first up we have dark chocolate malt balls. So I think most of these bags are 16 ounces and the shelf life is until June 2023. And so these last a year in these bags. And here are the malt balls. These are, one of my favorites. I have like really fond memories of those kinds of malt balls from when I was a kid. I should mention, these are $7.79 for a 16-ounce bag. Next up, we have yogurt peanuts, again, 16-ounce bag, and that is $3.99. And here's a look at those. I think these will probably be my mom's favorites. She likes yogurt-covered fruit and nuts. Then we have mini peanut butter cups, again 16 ounces. These are $7.99 for the bag, and these are just super cute. Hopefully the glove isn't bothering you too much since everybody's going to be grabbing items, goodies out of the bags. I don't want to put my hands in it, but aren't those the cutest? I love anything covered with chocolate. And peanut butter is actually the only nut that my daughter is not deathly allergic of, so I don't mind having peanut butter in the house because she doesn't have a sensitivity to it. So okay, so those are the first three things. Let me grab another three and I'll be right back. The next three items that I've grabbed are dried fruits. The first is dried guava. This is actually really good. I tasted this this morning and I really like it. It's $8.99 for, is it 16 ounces? Yeah, 16 ounces. And this is what dried guava looks like. I can't really describe the taste to you, but oh my gosh, it's so good. Then we have, this is $9.99 for, that's 12 ounces. So this is a little bit smaller, of jackfruit. And I have never tried jackfruit before, but I tasted a little bit and I'm really a fan. So I love dried fruit. And then we have prunes. This is a 16-ounce bag and these are $4.99. And these are really, really good. When I was a kid, I used to stay with my grandparents, and every morning my grandpa would have what he called mush, which was basically oatmeal. And he would have either prunes or prune juice every single day. And I fell in love with prunes. I know it's such an odd thing, but out of this whole box, as soon as I opened it up when I got this the other day, I dug straight into the prunes. So let me know down in the comments if you're a fan. I know it's kind of an odd thing, but I absolutely love prunes. Probably my one of my favorites, if not my absolute favorite. And these are really, really good. Next up we have, these are chocolate chunks, 16-ounce bag. And these are $4.89. And here are the chocolate chunks. Man, they look good. I probably will put those in my ice cream today. Then for $7.19, we have sugar-free chocolate chips. I think this is the only sugar-free item that I got, and these are really good. I'll eat these just as a little snack. And then we've got, these are golden raisins for $4.49. And it is a 16-ounce bag. And these guys are huge. I love their golden raisins. I got these the last time, and I absolutely love them. Next up, we have for $8.29, 16-ounce bag of dark chocolate coffee beans. I got these the last time. I love these. The chocolate is sweet, paired with a little bit bitter coffee bean that is crunchy. Oh my God, so good. So that's what those look like. And I just ate one of these. Oh my gosh, the saltiness and the sweetness is on point. $6.59 for pretzel nibs tri-colored. So I don't know if, I'm thinking it's probably milk chocolate, dark chocolate, and yogurt. Man, that's good. I could eat that whole bag in one sitting. Very, very dangerous. Last, for $8.29, we have dark chocolate Caramelettes. This is a 16-ounce bag. And I have to confess, I tried one of these too, and these are really good. You can tell there's a lot of chocolate here, but when they reached out to me, I already knew we were going to have the ice cream bar. So I had like ice cream toppings on the mind. Okay, last three. First up for $4.29, rainbow mini drops. That's what I'm going to say. And those, again, $4.29. And I thought the kids would really like these. Are these not just super fun? Yeah, those look really good. Next up for $7.99, we have sea salt caramel drops. And I was thinking about maybe doing cookies with these, if there are any left. And then last but certainly not least, for $8.29, we have milk chocolate malt balls. The other ones were dark chocolate. Holy cow, look how huge those are. And I have big hands. Those are super huge. Okay, so those are all of the items that I have, the last of the Nutstop goodies. So now I'm going to insert a quick clip of what our ice creams look like after topping them with all of these wonderful Nutstop goodies. All right, guys, that is everything for me. I got everything packed back up. I am ready to go to my parents' house and have some delicious ice cream. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love Nutstop's products, so I always appreciate when they reach out to me, because I am always up to showing you guys their products, because they're wonderful. They taste delicious, they are budget friendly, and they have been gracious enough to provide you guys with a discount code for, I think, 15% off your order. So everything will be linked down below. Every product that I showed you, I'll have an individual link for, so you can get to it pretty easily. And let me know down in the comments what item you are most excited to try, or looks the best to you. I can tell you that I have 3 favorites right off the bat. Anything covered, chocolate covered coffee beans. Those are hands down my favorite always. The tri-colored pretzel nibs, those are delicious, and the prunes. Call me strange, but gosh, I love me some prunes. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.